on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and delicious vegetarian rotini pasta. The ingredients I'm going to use: black pepper, salt, ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 1 teaspoon each, 2 tablespoons sweet peas, bell pepper, yellow, red, orange, carrots, 2 tablespoons each, half onion, and 1 cup tomato puree, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. And let's start making our delicious vegetarian pasta. We have our water, it started to boil. I'll bring the rotini. This is perfect. We're going to leave this much open so it won't boil out. And on the other side, get a fry pan, and I'm going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring vegetable oil. I'll bring ginger, garlic, chili paste. Going to cook for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to bring the onion. Mix it well. And we're going to saute our onion until they get translucent. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes, it's nicely translucent. And now I'm going to bring salt, black pepper, mix it. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring sweet peas, carrot, yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the gas to medium, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes. Mix it well. And now I'm going to bring the tomato puree. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 3 minutes. It took us exactly 10 minutes. And our pasta is all ready. I'm going to drain the water. On the other side, our vegetable is also nicely cooked. Cooking for 3 minutes. Mix it. It's perfectly cooked. The rotini pasta, we drain the water. And now we're going to mix it well. I'll bring dry cilantro, 1 tablespoon, and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cook for 2 minutes with the open lid on medium gas. Cooking for 2 minutes. If we look at the bottom, there is no moisture from the rotini, and it's nicely combined with all the vegetables, and this is perfectly done. And I'm going to dish out. I'm going to turn off the gas. Look at this. Delicious rotini pasta. It's a perfect vegetarian dish, and I'm going to share with you. Our quick and easy rotini pasta, a vegetarian dish. Very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.